How to add ERC20 token to Coinbase wallet. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add ERC20 token to your Coinbase wallet. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first I'm going to open my Coinbase wallet. Then once you're in your Coinbase wallet, here you have to tap on receive. Then here you will see your Ethereum address. So if I tap on this I icon here, it says here ERC20 tokens are issued on the Ethereum blockchain. That means you can use your Ethereum wallet address to receive any ERC20 token. So to receive any ERC20 token, you have to copy this, your Ethereum address. So tap on here copy, and your ERC20 token address will be copied to your clipboard. So to receive any ERC20 token cryptocurrency, you have to use this address. So for example, if I go to this crypto exchange wallet, and from here if I want to send ERC20 token to my Coinbase wallet, so here first you have to select the Ethereum ERC20 network. Then you have to paste the ERC20 address you copied from your Coinbase wallet here in the destination address, and then you will be able to add token from this wallet to your Coinbase wallet. And so this is how you can add ERC20 token to your Coinbase wallet. Thanks for watching.